Hello, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
I am fine. And you?
Oh, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay. When I use your email, then Facebook called to me restricted.
Let me
Have
see
a
here.
have a Facebook account?
Yeah, so I'm on Facebook right now and I'm in the settings. Is that where I need to be?
Yeah, yeah. You do screen share. Look below. Share screen. Okay. What is your Facebook name?
Um it's the My Event Pro that I showed you. See the
You go to in font size. Now you stay in settings option. So I want to see in your font size. Please go to your font size. Open
the front
Facebook.
side. So here, that's the front page.
Yeah, yeah.
And now where do I go?
Yes, your Facebook name, our Facebook name. Please give me a Facebook name.
That's the Facebook name. That one right there.
What is number you use in Facebook?
How did I what?
What's number you use open in Facebook?
The phone number?
Yeah, yeah.
That's 707.
That's number used in this Facebook.
Right. So the number, you want me to give you the number?
Okay, you open Facebook email or phone number? What?
Email. I opened it with the email.
Email. Yeah. And that's password call to Facebook wrong. I do share screen.
So you want? Okay.
I will do for your face. It is your face. Totally finished my work. Post.
So how do I see that?
Yeah, it is. I make a face for you. So solar panel cleaning expert.
Yeah. So how do I get to that?
Yeah. Okay. You stay and I log in. I put on email. Please. It is.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. That's password. It is your password. Am I right?
That's the password. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Login.
Yeah.
The password that you have entered is incorrect. Forgotten password. Please. You have changed your password. Then that's password. Please give me.
So when I log out, so I do the same thing, and when I do that from my computer, it logs in.
Yeah. Your computer login, that's okay. But I am Bangladesh, so Facebook called to me restricted that's others country. So he is not permission in this country. If my computer IP will be tracking.
So what do I need to do to make so I could get to that page that you created?
Is it your password? Am I right?
Yes, correct.
Why call to wrong?
That's what I don't get it. I don't understand why it's
That's
telling
wrong.
you that. Hold on. Let me try something. Okay, hold on.
Forgotten password. Facebook called to me. Forgotten password. You go to forgotten password. Click. What's your number?
Let me see. The last one. No.
It is.
That one.
It is.
Yes.
Okay. Please give me a code.
124
124
056.
056. It is right?
Correct.
Okay. Hide password.
Use whatever you could do that tiger one. Let's try that one. The tiger.
Okay, 555. I will make another password. I'll give you.
Okay.
Find your mobile number. Yes. Please give me your mobile number. Okay.
So 707.
Watch on. 707
720
720
3383.
3383.
Correct.
Right.
Yes.
Yes. It is your page.
Yes.
This is
correct.
my account. Okay.
Yes,
SMS send code. Agent.
Correct.
Okay. Enter code. Please,
Okay.
please give me enter code.
So it hasn't sent me a new one.
Eh?
It did not send me one. Oh, it says we have to wait a few minutes. Maybe, yeah, try that again, or yeah, yes. Let's try that.
Okay, again.
Yes, correct. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, go to email. Please
Okay.
give me a code.
439
439
826.
826.
Yep.
That's okay.
Yes.
Continue. New password. It is new password.
Okay.
Continue.
See,
Sorry.
something's going wrong.
Went wrong. What is the matter? I don't know.
Yeah.
Hey.
So is there a way I can just
Mobile number. Okay.
uh-huh.
Search. This is.
Correct.
You make another Facebook account. Use another email or another phone number. Okay. Can do it.
Okay.
Can do
Okay.
it.
Let me try that then. And then I'll message you on Fiverr. Let me try that.
I want to you make another Facebook account with another email or another phone number. That's phone number and login password give me.
Okay, let me create it and then yeah. So do you want me to message you on Fiverr once I'm done?
Thank you so much.
No problem. I'll try to create a new account. Yeah, I want that page. I need to figure that out. So let me try to create another Facebook account then.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll message you on Fiverr.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.